Happy 4th of July, everybody. Let's travel back to the year 1976, where we celebrated the 200th anniversary of our independence with this next one. It is the Kennedy half dollar, but it is the silver issues. They only were made available in those special three-piece uncirculated sets and those special three-piece proof sets. So in that year of 1976, to celebrate our independence, the United States Mint made two special sets just for collectors. They're San Francisco minted, and they made an uncirculated and a three-piece silver set for uncirculated and three-piece silver proof set. Now, rare. They only made 4.9 million uncirculated sets and 3.9 million proofs. Compare that, just for reference, to the Philadelphias and Denvers made that year 234 million Philadelphia coins and 257 million Denvers. So you have the rarity factor right away. Less than 2% of all bicentennial coins were these silvers. They created a very special new design for that 1 year only commemorative program. It's Independence Hall on the reverse side of the Kennedy half dollar. And there it is right there, 200 years of freedom, and it was a 1 year design. On the obverse, we see that dual date obverse for the first time and the only time on a circulating coin, 1776 to 1976, but the reverse is where the design completely changed from the standard Kennedy half dollar reverse to Independence Hall. Now, $17.95 for both of these coins, uncirculated and proof, both 40% silver. These two coins sell nationally with our competition for $58.50. At $17.95, we're over $40 less than our closest competition. Even coin by coin, they're $28.50 for the uncirculated and $30 for that one right there, the proof. Same coin, silver San Franciscos. Beautiful. Each one is individually encapsulated, and I'm going to answer that question right now. Yes, there are no limits. So no, there are no limits on this one. Feel free to grab as many as you'd like. Item number 9059644 gets you both of these coins. You have the silver San Francisco Kennedy half dollar and the silver proof Kennedy half dollar from those three-piece sets. Now, I mentioned the mintage figure before, being that they're the rarest of all bicentennial coin. The silvers, less than 2% of all bicentennial issues were silver. 3.9 million proofs and 4.9 million uncirculated. But another way of kind of getting an idea of the rarity of these coins specifically is to look at the population reports. Normally we reference population reports when we talk about certified coins because it gives us a number of how many coins are known in a certain grade or better. But if you look at populations for this denomination, the Kennedy half dollar, and you look at the proofs, for example, 3.9 million coins made, NGC and PCGS combined have seen 53,813 in all grades, any condition whatsoever. And 53,813 out of a mintage of 3.9 million made, that's 1.3%. So it kind of gives you an idea of the rarity of these. Since 1976, both grading services together have only seen 1.3% of all proof coins. Uncirculated, even much rarer than the proof. Out of 4.9 million made, a mintage figure is a little bit higher than the proof set. But between NGC and PCGS, you're looking at 14,974 half dollars have been seen in all grades, any condition. And out of 4.9 million coins made, that's 0.3%. That is tremendously rare. Now's your chance to grab these two, $17.95 for the pair. Now, part of the rarity factor is partly due, in fact, to what happened in the 80s. In 1980-ish, I don't know the exact year off the top of my head, but silver went to $50 an ounce. And since these are 40% silver, people melted them. A lot of coins got melted because of their silver content. What is the most recent coin made? It was these 1976 issues. So that is why we're seeing 50 years later, population reports so small, out of already small mintage figures. 9059644, folks, that is the item number for this special two-piece Kennedy half dollar set. You'll get a silver uncirculated and a silver proof Kennedy half dollar, only made available in those special Bicentennial 3-piece sets. They made 3 regular issues that year. They made a Philadelphia and a Denver for circulation. I already gave you those mintage figures, but once again, 234 million Philadelphias, 257 million Denvers. They also made a clad proof in the regular clad proof set, but these are the other 2 that they made out of 40% silver, both San Francisco, uncirculated, and proof. Our competition has these coins for almost $60. We're over $40 less for the same 2 coins, just $17.95. So before you head out and enjoy those fireworks, grab this one. Grab multiples if you'd like. It looks like a lot of multiples are going as I speak. Phones are very, very busy. So that's just time for me to remind you of the website. That is avccoins.com. Again, that item number 905-9644. Just put that into the search bar. Add in the quantity that you'd like. For joining us with one, just to get your hands on the rare silver Bicentennial Kennedy half dollar issue. We thank you. It's a great addition to the collection. If you're a Kennedy half dollar collector, if you're a Bicentennial coinage collector, regardless, if you're celebrating, this is the time. If you're turning 50 this year, like myself, or if you have a friend or family member, what a great gift. 1976 coinage, can't beat it. And the silvers, can't go wrong. $17.95. Our competition, $30 for that coin right there, and $28.50 for the other. We're $17.95. We're over $40 less. If you take $17.95 and multiply it by 2, you're still at an incredibly low price, just $35.90. A lot of people are buying multiples. That's why I bring it up, because it's a great savings and a great time to buy. 2026 is right around the corner, where we'll be celebrating the 250th anniversary of our independence. 250th anniversary. Now, we don't know what the U.S. Mint has planned. I am sure it's going to be something very special, because the last celebration coin design or coin that they came out with was 1976. So as we get closer to that year, these issues are going to become more and more in demand. We saw that with the 2021 Morgans. When the United States Mint brought out that 2021 Morgan and Peace program, there was an increased demand for the original 1921s in Morgan dollars and Peace dollars. It was just a natural demand increase because of the new ones coming out. So we're expecting the same type of demand increase for these 1976 Bicentennials. Join us, join us, join us. 30-second clock, please. Once again, this is a 2-piece set. The silver proof San Francisco Kennedy half dollar, along with the silver uncirculated Kennedy half dollar, both came from those 1976 Bicentennial sets. We had a 3-piece uncirculated set, a 3-piece proof set. They only made about 4 million proofs and 5 million uncs. And tonight we have the Kennedy half dollar from that set at an incredible price, over $40 less than our competition. Don't miss this one. We do have to be moving on, folks. Please be patient with the operators on the phones. We're getting to your calls. Again, website avccoins.com. Reminder to join us on there if you are waiting on hold. But in the meantime, let's move on to what's next.